Ever wondered about the curious fact of why many health enthusiasts start their day with chia seeds and a blend of greens? It's not just a random culinary preference, but a strategic choice based on the myriad of health benefits these little powerhouses offer. Chia seeds, despite their minute size, are packed with nutrients that can supercharge your body, strengthen your bones, sharpen your mind, and arm you with antioxidant capacities. Chia seeds are a rich source of fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids. When you consume them, your body receives a steady flow of energy throughout the day. This is because the fiber in chia seeds absorbs large amounts of water and expands in the stomach, which should increase fullness and slow the absorption of food. What about your bones? Well, chia seeds are loaded with calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, all essential nutrients for bone health. In fact, the calcium content in chia seeds is particularly impressive. Gram for gram, they contain more calcium than most dairy products. Chia seeds are a complete protein containing all 9 essential amino acids that cannot be made by the body. These amino acids are crucial for brain health, enhancing cognitive functions and improving memory and concentration. Lastly, chia seeds are a powerhouse of antioxidants. These antioxidants help to fight off the production of free radicals, which can damage cell molecules and contribute to aging and diseases like cancer. Now, imagine pairing chia seeds with a blend of greens. Greens, such as spinach, kale, and broccoli, are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, but low in calories. They aid in digestion, boost your immune system, and are great for your skin. So starting the day with chia seeds and a blend of greens puts your body on the fast track to optimal health. It's like giving your body a morning gift of energy, bone strength, mental sharpness, and a powerful shield against disease. In a nutshell, the curious fact about starting the day with chia seeds and a blend of greens isn't so curious after all. It's a smart, science-backed choice for health enthusiasts who are keen on nourishing their bodies with the very best nature has to offer. So the next time you're planning your breakfast, remember, a spoonful of chia seeds and a handful of greens might just be the best way to kickstart your day. Let's take this a step further. By adding lemon to our breakfast, we're introducing a burst of vitamin C, which aids in digestion. Even more, lemons enhance the absorption of nutrients from chia seeds and greens, creating a nutritional powerhouse. This combination of chia seeds, greens, and lemon supercharges our health, propelling us towards optimal wellness at the start of our day. Remember, it's not just about feeding your body, it's about nourishing it.